Okay. And it kind of gave me the wind I wanted.
Yes, sir.
I just got him stinky, dude.
That's alright, man. Give me a minute or two. Could you turn everything down? Turn it down real quick. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Bobby, 4 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s on 2 SFB 8Ks, 104 amp hour Cmax.
Did you just get this built? Or are you still working on?
Still working on it. I still got to seal it off. I got to finish that door.
Who built the box?
Nick Gal,
Okay.
Southern Sounds Car Audio.
That's a big port you added to it. Were you trying to tune lower?
I was wanting to go lower, but I wanted more wind.
Okay.
And it kind of gave me the wind I wanted.
Yes, sir. So what is it tune to wise on it?
28.
20. Oh, okay. Low. And what is your electrical like?
I got a 270 amp Mechman, a 300 amp, charging between 15, 8, and 16.
Okay.
At 104 amp hour Cmax.
Awesome.
2 runs of 1/0, all sky high, all OFC.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man. Can I see the back real quick? And I know you said you're still working on it, so you're gonna seal it off and all too?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Nice. Now these at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I broke all the feet off the end.
So what is this? Could you tell me how this is hooked to this?
So,
How's everything linked in? Is there a battery bank? Okay, got it. Got it, okay. That's a pretty good idea. What's up?
Down the back road, a cloud fast, smoke rolling out my window.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.